Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel HealthMatrix. My name is Dr. Ahmed Raza. Today our topic is cough and cold. Cough and cold are among the most common health problems that affect the children and adults. In this video, I will explain the common causes, simple home remedies, and warning signs that mean when you should consult a doctor. Cough and cold are most commonly caused by viral infections, weather changes, dust or pollution, and allergies. Most cases are mild and improve within a few days. What you can do at home to cure the cough and cold? You should take the fluids like warm water, soups, and herbal teas. These help soothe the throat and thin the mucus. Secondly, the steam inhalation. Steam inhalation help improve the nasal blockage, but the steam inhalation is avoided in smaller children without the supervision. And the rest. Proper rest help in faster recovery. And the saline nasal spray. Saline nasal spray is safe for the blocked nose, useful for both adults and children. In medicines, paracetamol can be used for fever or pain, but avoid unnecessary antibiotics and avoid mixing of multiple cold medicines. Children should not take the adult medicines. Consult a doctor if the symptoms last more than 7 to 10 days. If there is a high grade fever, or if there is a difficulty in breathing, chest pain, or severe sore throat, or if the symptoms worsen instead of improving. Most cough and cold episodes are simple and manageable at home. For clear, doctor explained health videos for everyone, please subscribe to my channel HealthMatrix.